In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bar in WordPress Elementor. In order to do that, first head over to elementor.com and click on this Get Started option that we can see right here. Now, in there, you can actually create an Elementor account. Now, if you already have one, just head over and log in. Now, we'll use WordPress to host our Elementor, so head over to wordpress.com. Click on this Get Started option right there in order to get started, or click on login option as well if you would want. Since I already have an account on both of them, let me head over and just log in. Here is my WordPress dashboard. Now let's head over right here into our pages. And then from in there, just choose in here the actual page that you wish to actually edit. I have in here this. Let's head over and click on this Edit with Elementor option that we can notice right here. Now here is that page. So for example, you can see this widget option right here. You can just click on this plus icon and you can search in here for search. As you can see here, search right here, so you can just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. However, you can notice as well that this search icon has this particular padlock, which means that you will only be able to access it if you're currently on the Pro plan of Elementor. So using this will actually help you use the search widgets and dozen more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. So if you wish to use this search bar, you can actually add this right here on the header as well if you would want. You can also add some other widgets under the Pro plan right there. And this will actually help you search for specific things on your actual website. It will also help your customers navigate your products as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.